Hey guys, DBH here. So today I want to do a quick unboxing. I already, took the wrap off of it, but this is Hadashili terminal removal toolkit. We're trying to remove this terminal from my RV and trying to use needles and stuff like that. Actually poke my thumb, when doing that. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get the proper tools. So this comes with every terminal removal tool you might want. I was gonna buy this at my local auto part store, but the price is insane, so do not recommend. So definitely don't do that. But this has everything's nice and neatly organized, and you might just need one of them. But honestly, this was more expensive than this whole thing at my auto part store. A single one that I need was more expensive than getting the whole kit, So I highly recommend that you guys do not get this stuff at your local, store, because you're gonna end up paying a lot more money for it. And this comes with every sort of pin tool that you can imagine. And it's nice and neatly organized until I messed it up. Yeah. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's like 40 something. So, that's a lot. Just so you guys have an idea. And, missing one here. And put that in there. So that way it stays nice and neat. Alright, there you go. Now it should not fall off anymore because I put them all nice and neat again. But anyways, so there is about 40 of them, I think, yeah, 40, 42, 40, yeah, and stays nice in its case, nice and durable. So highly recommend, that you guys get one of this. That way, you're not gonna spend hours trying to remove freaking wires from a pen. And this is makes the job effortlessly. So, so I'm gonna go over there, and it's gonna be like a 2-second thing, with the proper tool. So, as they say, proper tool makes the work much easier. So, take care, guys. Take care. Bye.